So I was driving on my bicycle one day before I had to go to my Oma. I told my dad I'm gonna go ride my bicycle. I was driving too fast. I was trying to turn and I couldn't brake and turn. My bike flew into the wall and I fell onto the tar ground and then I hurt myself badly. Bleeding. I was bleeding everywhere. I had to get bandaged up my knee because I was dripping with blood. And then my a chip of my tooth came out. So I had to like take my tooth out and put another one in there. They put like different filter or whatever you call it. They put like a new tooth in there, and I got look here, all all fixed up. But my bike is fine. It flew into the wall, cracked the wall, but my knee's fine now. And that tooth is fine, and I also got a scratch on my face from that, but now my face is fine as you can see. Look, all gone. So yeah, that's my story.